Hey folks, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can download maps and access them offline to your Amazfit Balance 2. So this will work when you are out doing your exercises and you do not have a network connection. And I'm making this video because the app's been updated since Amazfit made their own video on this topic, and you actually do this quite a bit differently now. So I have my Balance 2 right here. I have my phone with the Zepp app open. And what we're going to do at the bottom right here, there is an option to access device. Let's go ahead and do that. This is the page where you can see your battery level along with your current watch face and a few other things. What we want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom right here and we can see map management. So let's go ahead and select that. It's then going to load the map to your current location, although you do have flexibility to choose where you want to capture the map from, and you can just scroll on the screen here, or up at the top you can type in a location and then it will obviously allow you to capture that area. And we select download, then you get to choose Wi-Fi download or Bluetooth download. I'm going to choose Wi-Fi download as it does tend to be a little bit faster if you are connected to Wi-Fi, and we'll select the notification that pops up to confirm we do want to go ahead with the download. And then, as you can see, we have the progress bar just there, and it will just take a moment or two in order to download this map for us. And there we go, map downloaded successfully. It took about 30 seconds, which means now we have it available on our watch. So how do we go ahead and use it? I've just popped outside in order to get a GPS lock. It is a little bit windy out here, so apologies for that. But what we're going to do in order to access the maps here is if we go ahead and access the main menu of the watch. Hopefully you can see out here, it's quite bright. I like the Balance 2 because it actually is really visible. But let's go ahead and choose a workout, and I'm just going to select walking here. And what we want to do is wait for the red around the go here to turn green. That will just indicate that we do have a GPS lock and it has detected the map we've downloaded. So there we go, we've got a strong GPS lock signal. I'm going to go ahead and choose go here. And I've got a little bug climbing across my watch, so I'll try not to squash that. And there we go, you can see we've got the map down here. And we can actually control the map as well. We can zoom in and we can zoom out. The way we do that is, if I just bring that back up, if we just tap the control wheel up here, then we can choose the zoom and move command, and we can zoom in and out to start with. Again, just using the control wheel, or we can use the plus and minus on the actual display through touch controls. If we tap the button again, then we can switch the command. So now I can zoom around the map, okay, vertically, or if I tap it again, then we can zoom around the map, or move around the map, I should say, horizontally. So you get all of your controls there. And of course, our own location is pinpointed with a small arrow. One thing I would say is I'm really happy that Amazfit have actually included this feature on the Balance 2 for launch, because the Balance didn't have it for a good while. It got patched in later, and I like to have my maps on my watch as I'm doing various exercises outdoor. I just find it a really helpful thing to be able to do. But hopefully this little video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.